In this video, we will show you how to install NETGEAR Armor powered by Bitdefender on your iOS device for on-the-go cybersecurity and privacy on public Wi-Fi. To get started, download the NETGEAR Armor app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Follow the step-by-step process to install the app. Once the download is complete, open the NETGEAR Armor app. You will first see the Setting Up NETGEAR Armor screen. Tap Get Started to begin the installation. Review the subscription agreement. Then check the I agree box. Tap Continue. Sign into your NETGEAR account. Next, tap Enable Notifications. Then tap Allow again. You will now be asked to connect to the VPN. Tap Allow VPN, then tap Allow once more. Enter your device passcode to complete the VPN configuration. Finally, tap Start Scan and wait for the scan to complete. Congratulations, you have successfully installed NETGEAR Armor on your iOS device. Let's take a quick tour of the app. The home screen displays your device's security status at the top. You can also scan your device and view recommended actions to improve protection. Below, you'll find quick actions like connect to VPN, scan accounts, turn on web protection, and install on another device. To explore all features, tap on the Services menu. Stay secure on public Wi-Fi with the built-in VPN. Your IP protected with one tap. Next, turn on web protection to filter internet traffic and block dangerous links. Now let's set up Scam Alert. Tap Get Started. You'll see instructions for configuring SMS filtering. We'll complete those shortly. Tap Continue. Then tap to enable calendar scan. Allow full access when prompted. NETGEAR Armor will begin scanning your calendar events for dangerous links. To enable SMS filtering, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap Apps. Select Messages. Tap on Unknown and Spam. Toggle filter unknown senders to the on position. Under text message filtering, select NETGEAR Armor and tap Enable. This allows NETGEAR Armor to filter junk and scam messages on your device. Now let's set up account privacy. Tap Get Started. A validation code will be sent to the email address linked to your NETGEAR Armor account. Enter the code and tap Validate. You can add up to 10 email addresses to monitor. If any data breaches are found, it's recommended to change the password for the affected email account. You are now ready to use the NETGEAR Armor app to secure your iOS devices on the go. To learn more about the NETGEAR Armor app, visit netgear.com/armor.